Today we are going to look at honey and bees. In this video we will see in detail the benefits of adding honey to our food and the bees that produce it. Honey is produced by bees, both in the wild and in apiaries. Our living, especially worker bees, collect nectar from flowers and bring it back to the hive, where it is converted into honey by reformation and evaporation. Bees store honey in wax combs in the hive. Beekeepers can separate the honey by removing the comb from the hive and extracting the honey. Honey bees are made up of 3 types of bees: the queen bee, the worker bee, and the drone bee. The queen bee is responsible for laying eggs and maintaining the genetic diversity of the colony. Worker bees are responsible for collecting bees, pollen and water, as well as caring for young bees and maintaining the hive. Drone bees are male bees and their role is to fertilize the queen bee. Bees are important for pollination, and the production of honey and beeswax. They are important for their role in ecosystems and, for many plants, for pollination. However, due to a variety of factors including habitat loss, disease and pesticide use, bee populations have been declining in recent years. A bee nest is a structure built by bees, typically honeybees, to house their colony. It is usually made of wax and can be found in a variety of locations, including trees, rocks, and man-made structures. The interior of the nest is divided into multiple compartments called a comb, where the bees store food and raise their young. Honey extraction is the process of removing honey from the wax comb within a hive. There are several methods that can be used to extract honey, including manual extraction and mechanical extraction. Manual extraction involves using a honey knife or uncapping fork to remove the wax caps from the comb, and then draining the honey from the comb by gravity. This method is typically used by small-scale beekeepers and is a slow and labor-intensive process. Mechanical extraction involves using a centrifugal force to separate the honey from the comb. This is typically done using a honey extractor, which is a machine that spins the comb to force the honey out. The honey is then collected at the bottom of the extractor and can be filtered to remove any wax or debris. Mechanical extraction is a faster and more efficient method and is often used by large-scale beekeepers. Honey has many potential benefits, including antibacterial properties. Honey has been shown to have antibacterial properties, which may help to fight off infections and promote wound healing. Antioxidant properties. Honey is a rich source of antioxidants, which can help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. Anti-inflammatory properties. Honey may help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help to alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis. Soothing sore throat. Honey is a natural soothing agent and could help to relieve sore throat and cough. Improving digestion. Honey is a natural laxative and can help to relieve constipation. Promoting sleep. Honey contains natural sugar. It can help to regulate blood sugar levels and promote sleep. Rich in nutrients. Honey is also a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, calcium, and iron. It is important to note that not all honey is the same and the benefits may vary. Also, raw, unprocessed honey is considered to be more beneficial than processed honey. Consult with a healthcare professional before consuming honey if you have any health concerns.